Hello fellow shadow stalkers, welcome back to my channel. I got in another Sofie and Toffee box. I don't know which one it is because I am very confused of which ones they're sending me these days. But I watched the FedEx guy supposedly try to deliver my box. He claimed he knocked on my door, which is garbage. Now he's saying that I have to leave a message at the site to just leave it at the door. It's like, no, that's not what I had to do before. I don't know why the rules keep changing. Okay, so those box. Okay, why can't I open it? Okay. Lucky Fortune! I've been waiting for this for a while. And yeah, Sofie and Toffee has been confusing me on when they're going to start delivering. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, we got some string. What is that? Candy drop sprinkles. Those are tiny. All kinds of glitters. Random 6 pots. Got 2 different blues. Purple. I don't know what this is. Okay, this is glitter, this is glitter, these are confettis. Two Mirandais. Light pink and what? Gloss orange? I don't know. I have no clue. Clear orange and light pink. Okay. Ooh, bells. Sweet. 50 grams, which makes 100 grams of Sofie and Toffee A and B mix. Some beads. Holographic transfer paper. There's some trees in there, some flowers. And a wolf howling at the moon. Little girl. This is pretty cute. And here's molds. Let's see what this does. Can you see that better? Ah, this is a lot smaller than I thought it'd be. This goes into the shaker. Little wheel. These are our little shaker bits. I might trade this one because this is way too intricate. Fortune cookie box molds. Yeah, this is way intricate. These are holographic. Let me see if I can take these out. Oh, I love it. This goes in the wheel. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Drop me a cup of coffee once in a while. Namaste. Have a great day.